Hey and welcome. In this section, we will implement complete Pokemon game. The game will be in this way. Your location in the map will represent by Mario, and there's many Pokemons in the map. Every Pokemon have a specific name and have description and have power and have name, description and power. So you move through the map and whenever you reach any Pokemon, you will get the power for that Pokemon. For example, if I just want to reach this Pokemon, okay, I catch this Pokemon. Now if I just move a like little bit, he just say, hey, I catch it. So it's really amazing game. So you're just moving and catching Pokemon. So let's get started step by step, learn how to access to the map, we could add object in the map, then how we could move and show our location in the map, and how we could use runtime permission and catch Pokemons. So let's get started step by step.